So hey guys, my name is Harsh and I'm really thankful to Mr. Kaif sir, who is a mentor of me and given me an opportunity to make some food for you. So I just want to tell you a story. When my friend is a student, he used to snatch food from other student and just eat it. So I don't want you to do like that. So we are going to make some chicken combo and I name it GMAC combo. Do you know the name of full form of GMAG? Can you guess? Ayush, can you guess?
I don't even eat chicken. I don't know. I am not so I don't know about
That's why I asked you. So GMAG stands for Garibi Mein Aata Gila combo. As students have tight pockets, so we have to make affordable combos. And so let's start by buying some ingredients. Like we have to buy chicken according to your size of stomach. You can buy it. I will refer you to buy around 300 to 500 grams of chicken, a soya sauce, green chili sauce, tomato sauce, garlic, onion, tomato, gram flour, oregano, mozzarella cheese, cucumber, and so on, spices, and etc. all like this. So let's go to the kitchen and start. By first we will wash our hand, and here we have the glove. It's like it is. I think it is used, and it's used by TikTok. It's really damaged. So we will just put it aside, and we will use some new gloves and start. First we will chop some chicken, like you have to chop in small pieces, like it's your Pakistan, and you have to just chop it down and make finished it. So here we have leg piece. It's really big. It's really big. We have to put it in. What are you saying, man? I think it's like kawa biryani, like. So let's start. First, we have chopped all the chicken wings and chicken legs, all the things. We have to chop some, vegetables we have bought from the market. Onions and tomato will be chopped in one slice so that it can be used on the burger. And then we will... Burger. Okay. So, we will start by chopping some vegetables. And we will make a paste of garlic and ginger, and we will apply it on all the chicken wings and chicken pieces, and let them dry and soak. So we will and then we will have oregano and some spices, and we will put in on the chicken pieces, and and we will mix it very well. Like just we have to mix it very well. And it just it's a thing which we got. I just forgot. I forgot what is that. Whiteboard. Oh, sorry. What is that? Oh yeah, it's soya sauce. So we just have to put some soya sauce on the pieces, and we'll mix it very well, and we will let them dry for around 10 to 15 minutes. And simultaneously we are going to make a paste of gram flour, which is also called besan, and we'll make the paste of the besan, and we will also cut bun. We will also slice bun in 2 equal pieces, and rest of the 2 buns you can chop. So as in the time of 15 minutes, all the chicken wings are really as you are seeing, it's really soaked very well, and we just have to put it on the besan, dip it on the besan, and we will put it on the chopped buns. So just we have to put it in. Let them dry, and we are going to use a kadhai. Kadhai? It's called kadhai in Hindi. Yeah, kadhai. That's not the tanhai type kadhai. It's kadhai. So we will put it on the gas stove, and we'll lighten up the flame. And we will use refined oil, around 1 liter. You have to put refined oil on the kadhai, and just put all the
Very 1 liter.
1 liter is.
It's up to him, right? We cannot say that.
Yeah, you know, I own a restaurant. We call it Bathak.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah, some of the friends are thinking about another Bathak, but not like that.
Okay.
So we just we will deep fry all the chicken wings and chicken pieces, and we have the bun. We have already sliced it in 2 pieces. We will apply some butter, you know, like we will just apply some butter with the using of this second-hand knife. I mean, it's made in China. Well, we have to go Atmanirbhar. Okay, so we will just cut it on the. We will just apply butter, and then we will put some chicken pieces on the. You know, it's also called patty. So we'll put chicken patty on that. Then we will put an onion slice. Then we will put an tomato slice. Then we will put a cucumber slice, and then we will also put a mozzarella cheese. You can chop it, or you can have a slice of mozzarella cheese and just put it on the all the stuffings, and just light a flame on it so that it could melt very easily, and you know it tastes really shakashak. And we will just put the second part of the bun, and we will bake for around 60 seconds, or you can have for 2 minutes. And simultaneously we will make we will make a sauce which is we'll make a sauce which really needs you will need tomato sauce and green chili sauce, and you can buy momos sauce, you know, the sauce which is used in momos, which is called momos ki chutney. You can buy it from the shop, and I'm not that able to make that, you know. So I will just buy it from the another, and you know I'm the son of Ambani, so yes. We will mix it up, and we will put it on a on a, what is it called? It's a katori?
Katori is a small ball.
A small ball, not ball. It's bowl. Small bowl. BOWL bowl. Yeah, you are right. You are right, my friend. You are right.
Yeah.
You are correctly right. We'll just put it on the small bowl, and then we will put all the chicken wings, left chicken wings that were not used. We will put it on the plate, and now we have our chicken burger is ready for serving. We just put it on the plate, and we'll serve it to Mr. Yes, sir.
Oh yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Come on.
There is no need of garnishing because it's already garnished.
It smells amazing. It smells
Thank you, sir. Yes, I know, sir. I'm a master chef of India. Yeah, he's a saint person.
I didn't see that.
Oh my God, sir. Do you want, sir?
But he said the salt. Most important.
No, he.
I'm not making a vegetable, so I don't need any salt.
Absolutely.
I'm using the spices, so
Spice. Pretty cool.
Without
chicken. You know, I am a pure vegetarian.
that's why
Not for you, okay?
that's why I just make chicken.
Because
I want.
I have to snack.
Actually, he wants you to be a non-vegetarian, right? So you have.
I just want you to be die in hunger.
I know.
All right, guys, fantastic.